Welcome to our Excel charts tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the world of data visualization and learn how to create informative and visually appealing charts in Microsoft Excel. Charts are a great way to present complex data in a simple and easy-to-understand format. They can help you identify trends, patterns, and relationships in your data, making it easier to make informed decisions. Whether you're working with sales data, customer information, or website traffic, charts can help you communicate your findings more effectively. When it comes to creating charts in Excel, one of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right chart type. Different chart types are suited for different types of data, so it's essential to understand the strengths and weaknesses of each. For example, column charts are great for comparing categorical data, while line charts are better for showing trends over time. Pie charts, on the other hand, are perfect for displaying how different categories contribute to a whole. Now that we've discussed the different chart types, let's create a column chart to visualize some sample data. To start, we need to select the data range we want to chart. In this case, we'll choose the sales data for the last quarter. Next, we'll go to the Insert tab and click on the Column button. Excel will automatically create a column chart based on our selected data. Once we've created our chart, we can customize it to make it more visually appealing. We can add titles, change the colors, and adjust the layout to suit our needs. For example, we can add a title to the chart to describe what it represents, and we can change the colors to match our company's brand. We can also adjust the font sizes and styles to make the chart easier to read. In addition to creating charts, Excel also allows us to create dashboards to display multiple charts and data visualizations in a single view. Dashboards are a great way to summarize complex data and provide a quick overview of key performance indicators. They can help us identify trends, spot patterns, and make informed decisions. By using dashboards, we can create a centralized location for all our data visualizations, making it easier to monitor and analyze our data. When creating charts and dashboards, it's essential to follow best practices to ensure our visualizations are effective and easy to understand. We should keep our charts simple and avoid clutter, using clear labels and concise titles. We should also use colors and formatting consistently throughout our visualizations to create a cohesive look. By following these best practices, we can create charts and dashboards that are not only visually appealing, but also informative and useful.